Team Anna member Kiran Bedi is openly backing Narendra Modi for Prime Minister. Voicing her opinion on the News Hour, the former IPS officer said that she is pitching for stability, and if that leads to Modi, then that's very good. Reiterating her stand on Twitter, Kiran Bedi is making it clear that her vote is for Narendra Modi.
Somebody who's experienced, then it is to be led by Narendra Modi.
Kiran Bedi has come out here on the News Hour and made a very strong pitch for the BJP.
For the first time ever, Team Anna member Kiran Bedi on the News Hour openly backing Narendra Modi and the BJP for the centre.
Party which will, between the two, you've got only one. I do believe if he gets the numbers, if people understand what do they want, if they want stability, if they want a national party which has a footprint all over the country, somebody who's experienced, then it is to be led by Narendra Modi.
Bedi also adding that she is pitching for stability, and if that leads to Modi, it is very good. And just an hour later, the Team Anna member in a tweet clearly stating that her vote is for Narendra Modi. Her words coming as a shot in the arm for the BJP, who welcomed Bedi's comment.
What Kiran Bedi has said today on News Hour is the response we are getting throughout the country from various corners. I welcome Kiran Bedi, what she has said.
But to the Congress, Bedi's stand was nothing but a matter of surprise.
Kiran Bedi praised Mr. Narendra Modi. I was taken aback, to be honest, because Mr. Modi has got a very controversial track record. To be honest, I'm very surprised. But whether that means that Kiran Bedi is joining the BJP party officially or not, that's for her to decide.
Kiran Bedi's comments coming amidst reports of former Army Chief General VK Singh joining BJP. But while she openly endorsed the BJP, the Team Anna member was quick to distance Anna Hazare from her opinion.
Who Anna Hazare supports or not is Anna's choice. You asked me a question and I stand by my own identity and my own entity. And I've always been in the anti-corruption movement on my terms.
As the fight for 2014 seemingly becomes clearer between Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, are the two parties rushing to get big names on their side? Bureau Report, Times Now.